Hello everybody and welcome to Owenswood Studio. And today we will be designing a product item page for K-Bags. So we have our header here already from the last tutorial. Just make a box over it. Send it to the back. Take the border away. Change the color from white to this light gray color. We're just gonna make it smaller. I'm just gonna make sure it's a good size. Then we'll copy it and bring it down here. And we'll just make it like half the screen. And then we'll get this bag and we'll put it half on the box and half out the box. Okay, we'll copy and paste it again. This time we'll make the top smaller and we'll change it to this dark gray color. And we'll write buy now. And then we'll just bring it on to our box and change the color to white. And then we'll copy buy now. We're just gonna type a name for this bag. Make that big. Change the color to this dark gray. Correct that. To add some texture to this text, we're going to select the first word and make it semi-bold. Then, select the second word. Select the second word, go to the word styling, change it to italic. Then the last word, we'll select it, go and change it to light. So now the word looks a little more creative. Just take that up. Then we'll copy that, change it dark. We'll type some information about this bag. We'll bring it up. Then just change it from being all caps. We'll just want to make the first letter caps. Make sure you click off that. So the bag is perfect. The perfect bag for all your travel. Make it smaller. Then we'll copy the buy it now again. We'll change it dark this time. We'll be typing the price of this bag, which will be £45.99, which is basically £46. We'll change it to semi-bold. Make it a little smaller. Then we'll copy this buy it now button. And we'll type in the text, add to cart. That's for the button. We'll just make that smaller. We'll select on the 2 left anchor points. Hold down shift and click the left arrow key twice. Same with the right anchor points. And same with the bottom. And we'll also do the top. Then we'll select them both, make it smaller, ungroup them, align them again, make sure the text is in the center of the button. Put it on the same line as everything else and give it equal spacing. Then, to add some texture to this box, we'll copy the bag name. We'll just make it bigger, make the text transparent and bigger, put it behind the bag. Then for other choices, we'll make a square down here. We'll bring our bag in, make it smaller. Same with the 2 other bags. Then we'll copy this box, drag it here, bring that bag in, center it into the middle, center that, do the same for the red bag, send it forward, just center it, and we'll group it. First, we'll select on all 3 of our boxes and take their border away. Then we'll change the colors of them like what we done in the last one. We'll make it red and give it the transparency of 25. And on this one we'll make it yellow and give it a transparency of 25. And same with this one. We'll make it grey and give it a transparency of 25. And we'll group this, and line them. What's wrong? What's going on? Oh, well, we'll group this too. Group. And make sure those are grouped. Select all three and click on the equal spacing tool. Bring them against the ruler and against the bottom of the canvas. Hold down shift and bring them up twice. Bring them right next to each other. Hold down shift, bring them away twice. The same with the third one. There's your design. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to be notified for more videos, and leave a comment in the comment section below. See you in the next video.